Hello everyone! Ang food ko for today is shrimp na nakabalo siya sa rice wrapper. Then meron akong sweet chili sauce here. Tikman natin. Mainit-init pa. Wow! Yummy! And healthy to guys. Healthy. Wow! Subukan nyo itong recipe ito guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on TikTok. If you want to miss something, please click the yellow basket in this video and go to my TikTok shop. Bye!